Good day, viewers. You are welcome to this edition of our YouTube channel. And today we are going to look at a very vital topic in the mathematics scheme of work, which cuts across JSS1, JSS3, and SS1. And this question is often asked in your BEC exam, which is your junior WAEC, and it also is very common in your senior WAEC and your National Examination Council exam, which is your NECO. So we will take our time to dissolve these questions, and after that you have some couple of questions you have to answer on your own. Now we'll go straight to question number one. These are the questions, and this is the way I presented it. You can see for yourself. Now, should in case you are a student or a teacher, often always advise your students, whenever they want to present questions concerning subtraction of number base, ensure there is space in between their work. The work should not be congested. There should be space. You can see how neat this place is. So let's go straight and subtract. Now, this is how it is done. 3 minus 4 is not possible. So what you will do, you simply come here to borrow. Now, if you take a number from this place, here will remain 1. Now, in your regular mass, whatever you borrow, you call it 1 and add it in front of you. That's how you normally do it. But in this subtraction of number base, we don't do it that way. What you simply do is, anything you borrow from this place, instead of you to call it 1, place it right here, you will call it the base. So if I should borrow anything here and my base is 5, I will call it that 5 and add it up here. Can you see the way it is done? So I borrowed, let me remove this thing so that we can, I took a number from this place and here is now remaining 1. Now, and whatever you borrow becomes your base. What is our base? Our base is 5. So instead of me to write 1 here, I'll come right here and place my base, which is 5. Can you see for yourself? Now, 5 plus 3 will give me 8. Now, 8 minus 4 will give me a 4. Always ensure you position your base before you start solving, like I earlier said in our previous video. Now we move. Again, 1 minus 4 is not possible for me to have 1 orange and remove 4 from it. I will go to this side to borrow. Now, if I should borrow here will remain 3. Now, whatever I'm borrowing, you don't call it 1. Like I earlier said, you don't call it what? You don't call it 1. You will call it your base. What is your base? Your base is 5. So whatever I borrow from this place, instead of me to call it 1, I'll call it my base. My base is 5. You will go up here and write it. Now 5, let me write it well. Now 5 plus 1 will give me 6. 6 minus 4 will give me a 2. We go again now. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the solution to question number 1. Now we'll go straight and resolve question number 2. 1 minus 5 is not possible for me to have 1 orange and remove 5. So what I will simply need to do, I'm coming right here to borrow. Anything I borrow becomes my base. If I should take a 1 from this place, if I should take a number from this place, here will remain 2. Now anything I borrow, like I earlier said, it will be your base. So the number I took from this place, we will call it our base. And what is our base? Our base is 6. So our place is 6 up here, not beside it. Look at it. Not beside it, but up here. Now 6 plus 1 will give me 7. 7 minus 5 will give me a 2. Always ensure you position your base so that you won't forget it. We move. Now 2 minus 5. Again, it's not possible for me to have 2 orange and remove 5. So therefore, we are coming to this side. Can you see for yourself? We are coming here to borrow. If I take the 1 here, what do I have left? I have a 0 left. Can you see? Now, the number I'm taking, I'll call it my base. The number I took from this place. So, what is your base? 6. Now, 6 plus 2 will give me 8. 8 minus 5. 6 plus 2 will give me 8. 8 minus 5 will give me 3. See for yourself. Now 0 minus 4, is it possible for me to have nothing and bring out 4? No. I will come here and take this number. Now whatever I'm taking here, if I take this number, here will become 0. Now anything I take from this place, you don't call it 1, you call it your base, which is 6. Our position is right there. Now 6 plus 0 minus 4. 6 plus 0 will give me 6. Now 6 minus 4 will give me 2, and here is 0. So this is answer the solution to question number 2. Now we'll go to question 3. Again, always ensure you position your base before you start solving so you won't forget. Position it neatly. Now 1 minus 2 is not possible. I'm coming here to borrow. Here will now remain 1. Now whatever I'm borrowing becomes my base. Whatever I'm borrowing becomes my base. And what's my base? My base is 4. You will go up here and put it. Now, 4 plus 1 will give me 5. 5 minus 2 will give me 3. Now, 1 minus 3 is not possible. You will come here again to borrow. Whatever you are borrowing becomes your base. Here will remain 2. Whatever I'm borrowing becomes my base. And my base is 4. So I'll place the 4 right here. 4 plus 1 will give me 5. 5 minus 3 this time around will give me a 2. Now, next, I'm having this. Now, 2 minus 3, is it possible? No. I will come here to borrow and here will remain 1. Whatever I'm borrowing becomes my base. What is my base? My base is 4. Whatever I'm borrowing here becomes my base. If my base is 4, I place it right here. 4 plus 2 will give me 6. Now 6 minus 3 will give me a 3. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So remember in mathematics, if 0 is starting your question, there's no need. So I'm not going to write it. So we'll go to the next. Always ensure you position your base. Now, 1 minus 0 will give me 1. 1 minus 1 will give me 0. 1 minus 0 will give me 1. 1 minus 1 again will give me 0. Then 1 minus something here is 1. So this is the solution to question number 4. Now, please ensure you solve question number 5, dissolve question number 6, 7, and 8, and place your answer in the comment section below. Thank you.